Hi everyone, Greg here. Now today I thought I'd copy a recipe straight from the internet. I know it's something I don't usually do, but this one has over 5,000 stars on it, and it's nearly like 5 stars. So it's got to be a really good recipe. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a go and see what all the fuss is about. It's brown sugar and soy salmon. It's so easy to make, and I'm going to cook it on the barbecue as well. Anyway, let's start doing this. So these are just the ingredients I'm going to be using today. Now we'll be leaving all the ingredients down below in the description box, but I'll be saying them along the way, so don't stress. Anyway, let's start doing this. Right, so for starters, let's grab a bowl out of the cupboard. Make sure it's big enough to support as much of the salmon as you will be using. I've got 2 bits of salmon here for dinner, and this covers them both, so they should fit nicely in there. Right, ingredients time. To the bowl, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Oh! Crush them hard. We need 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's good. 5 tablespoons of water. I measured this out earlier. 4 tablespoons of brown soft sugar. Now I don't even know what brown soft sugar is, but this sugar is brown and it's soft. Not as soft as my teddy bear, but soft enough. 1. Push it in. Compact it down. 2. 3, 4. Ugh. 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Right, well, I'm not going to be able to measure this, so I'll just guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope. Look at the oil floating on top of the other mixtures. I need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. That sounds like quite a lot, doesn't it? Ah, well. And we'll finish it off with some ground black pepper. That should do. Give that a mix through. Alrighty, so that is the marinade done. Pretty simple, huh? Now it's time just to add the salmon in. Might put a skin side down. Well, no, skin side up, that is. So the flesh gets to fully marinade. Yeah. Awesome. Now we just cover this in some plastic wrap. And this goes into the fridge to marinate for about 2 hours. Oh, have I got any space though? I'll have to stick it on top of the gumchi and the tomato cherries. Yeah. Right. Just don't fall over, whatever you do. Yeah. See you in a couple of hours. Okay, well, the salmon's been marinating for 2 hours. No, it hasn't. So let's get it out. Oh, yum. Now, I should say that I've got salmon with the skin on. You don't have to put it with the skin on. You can get it with the skin off. Don't worry about that. Anyway, let's go outside and cook this. Yeah, okay. So we are cooking this on the barbecue today, and I have preheated it to a medium heat. That feels pretty hot to me. So I'll lubricate it with a bit of cooking oil. And, oh wow, look at that. That looks beautiful. But I'll be placing it skin side down onto the grill. Make sure you try and get rid of all the liquid for as much as you can. Oh man, that smells so good. Now I will close the lid. You probably don't have to, but I'm going to. And the instructions say cook it for about 8 minutes on each side. Now to me that sounds like it could be too long, but hey, who knows? What I will do is look though for the change of colour in the salmon to see how the salmon is cooking in the middle. You'll see it changing colour anyway. So we'll just keep our eyes on it and hope for the best. Alrighty, well it's been a few minutes. I'm not even sure how many it's been. But let's take a look. Oh wow, how good does that look? Right, let's flip this. Oh yeah. I love how crispy that is. Be a little bit burnt, but that's just the brown sugar caramelizing. So we'll just give it a few more minutes on this side, I think.
Until those colours sort of join in the middle, and you can stick a fork in and it falls apart nice and easily.
Alright. Let's just flip this over. Oh, yum. Okay. How good does that look? Oh, yum. Alright, let's plate these up. Okay, so today I'm serving this with some rice. So I'll get some of the salmon, put that on top, finish it off with a sprinkle of green stuff. And there you have it, some delicious looking brown sugar soy salmon. Alright, well here's that salmon I just whipped up. How good does it look? Wow. Anyway, let's see what it tastes like. Oh, look at that, just flaking apart. Oh, yum. Let's go. Wow. That really is delicious. I mean, it's got a lot of sugar in there. You can't taste that sugar. It's got garlic in there. I can't even taste it. I can't taste the soy. It's like all the ingredients have just complemented each other. Nothing is overpowering any other thing, but you're still getting the full flavor of that salmon. If you're looking for something a little bit different to do with your salmon, I'll tell you what, this is a beautiful, easy, and delicious recipe to try. No wonder it's got 5,000 5-star ratings. It's a really nice piece of fish. If you are looking at a different recipe to try with a piece of salmon, well, give this Marinade a go. I tell you what, it tastes really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, remember to show it some thumb and love. And I'll see you next time right here on Greg's Kitchen. Catch you then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made some barbecue, brown sugar and soy salmon. No wonder it had 5,000 stars. It was